Good evening. I'm Bree, and welcome to this 7 chakra alignment and unification meditation. I invite you to dim the lights, find a nice calm place where you can either lay down or sit comfortably with a tall spine, and I invite you to close your eyes. We will be using our breath, visualization, affirmations, and seed sounds to bring our 7 chakras into harmony and in balance. Let's begin. Visualize a red light at the base of your spine, connecting you to the earth. Feel the stability, the security, the grounding. I am safe. I am grounded. I am safe. I am grounded. I am safe. I am grounded. Visualize an orange glow below your navel. This is your center of creativity, pleasure, and emotion. I embrace pleasure, passion, and flow. I embrace pleasure, passion, and flow. I embrace pleasure, passion, and flow. Moving up to the solar plexus, envision a yellow sun just above your navel, glowing. Here you find confidence, willpower, and personal strength. I am strong and I am in control of my destiny. I am strong and I am in control of my destiny. I am strong, I am in control of my destiny. Bringing our attention to our heart chakra, envisioning a green glow here at our heart center, Here you find love, compassion, and emotional balance. I give and receive love freely. I give and receive love freely. I give and receive love freely. Ya. 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 Our attention now comes to our throat. Here we envision a soothing, swirling blue light. This is the center of expression, truth, and communication. I speak my truth with confidence and kindness. I speak my truth with confidence and kindness. I speak my truth with confidence and kindness. Bringing our attention to our third eye, located here between the eyebrows. Envision a beautiful indigo light emanating here. This is where we cultivate intuition, wisdom, and clarity. I trust my intuition. I see clearly. I trust my intuition. I see clearly. I trust my intuition. I see clearly. Arriving finally to the crown, located just above the top of our head. Envision a beautiful, radiant, violent white light coming out of the top of our head, connecting us to the infinite. It's here where we connect to the divine, cultivate consciousness, and experience spiritual awakening. I am one with the universe. I am one with the universe. I am one with the universe. Om. Imagine all 7 of our chakras glowing brightly in a perfect, harmonious, and radiant column of energy. I am whole and in harmony. I am whole and in harmony. I am whole and in harmony. Deep breath in and sigh it out. I invite you to make a few gentle movements, slowly coming back into our body. And if you're not already, come into a seated position. And very softly and sweetly open your eyes.